Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a really useful technique in Power BI, how to display the top-end performing items like your top-selling products, and then automatically group everything else into an Others category right inside your visuals. This is a fantastic way to keep your reports focused, readable, and meaningful, especially when you're dealing with a long list of products or customers. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set this up from start to finish. Let's get right into it. Imagine you have some sales data laid out by product A through product G, each with their respective sales numbers. Your goal is to highlight only the top 3 products with the highest sales on your chart and then roll up everything else into a single Others bar. This just makes your insights pop without overwhelming viewers with too many small details. The first thing you'll want to do in Power BI is create a measure for ranking your products by their sales. To do this, we use a DAX measure. Here, what it looks like: product rank equals RANKX applied to the full list of product names using all and sorting by the sum of sales in descending order. The key here is using all on your product column. This makes sure every product gets considered in the ranking, otherwise Power BI's visuals might filter some out before the ranking even happens, which can throw off your results. And by setting the ranking type to dense, you'll avoid gaps if 2 products have the same sales number. Everything stays neatly in order. Next, we want to use that rank to classify each product as either itself or others. To do this, we create a new calculated column called top-end category. The logic is simple. If the product's rank is 3 or less, keep its name. If not, tag it as others. It's just like splitting a classroom into the top 3 scorers and everyone else is grouped together. They're not left out, but you're shining a spotlight only where it matters most. Alright, with your ranking and categorization in place, we need a measure to actually sum up the sales. In this case, you can use a straightforward sum of the sales column. This will give you the total for each category, including the combined total for others, when you build your chart. Now comes the fun part. Let's bring this all to life in a visual. Go ahead and insert either a bar chart or a column chart, whichever fits your report's design better. Drag that new top-end category field you made onto the axis area. Then pull in your sales with others measure to the values area. Finally, be sure to sort your chart by the sales measure in descending order. This way, your top 3 products will be displayed at the top, with the others category neatly at the bottom or after your top items. Take a look at your visual. You should now see 3 bars, one each for the top products by sales and then a 4th bar for others, which combines the sales of all remaining products. For example, in our sample data, product A, product B, and product C each get their own bar, and then others combines products D, E, F, and G. It's a cleaner, more actionable snapshot of your data. If at any point you find your numbers aren't adding up, just double-check the ranking measure and make sure your calculated columns are pointing to the right measures. Sometimes, building a solution like this takes a couple of tries to get those DAX expressions just right. Don't worry if it takes a few moments. And that's it. You now know how to show top-end with others in your Power BI visuals. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like, drop a comment below if you have any questions or need help with a specific scenario, and subscribe for more clear, practical Power BI tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.